Hello, hello. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, sharing a project in its raw state. No pattern paper, no bells and whistles. This is the Little Chapters project. I choose to show this project without paper on purpose. When a project is fully decorated, it's easy to only see that theme. When you see a structure first, the possibilities just open up. Little Chapters is made of 12 individual little books that are easy to put together with lots of wow factor. I have shared a baby version, fully decorated in this, of course, Little Chapters format with really sweet tabs, outlining every single month so that you can record baby's first year, and it works beautifully. However, there are so many other possibilities for this project. There's 4 different styles of the little books, so you would make 3 of each style to complete the 12. If you struggle to imagine projects outside of the paper that I'm sharing them in, then this video most certainly will help you. I also put together a list in the project folder. If you look in the project folder, you'll find this list of potential ideas for this particular project, Little Chapters. I especially love the idea of converting this into a recipe album where you have recipes in each of these books. They would be your tried and true recipes that you actually want to leave for a loved one. I think it would make a darling, I think this would make a lovely format. Also, a year of us would also make a beautiful format. Let's say if you want to give this to newlyweds that they could document their first year. And I know this video is hard to look at because there's nothing to see here. This is nothing, right? This is just the structure of the project. The box is fabulous. Of course, it's got the beautiful acetate window where you can get a peekaboo inside here. The structure of the box is also very unique with this hinge system, which gives you a small footprint wherever you're storing this, and then you open it up to get this really fun presentation style uh, box. And of course, the 12 albums, it closes up really tidy, and you can most certainly document your memories in a unique format with this box. But I want you to think outside of the box, right? I want you to think about all sorts of possibilities. And again, I give you the list in the project folder, but chime in below. Let me know what you think about seeing a project like this in its raw state. Does it open up the possibilities for you? Do you have different ideas other than the baby, the school version? As I stated, recipe, the year of us. I love this once again for a newlywed to document their first year. Such a great way to share those memories. So let me know what you think about the raw state of Little Chapters. If you guys are interested in making this project, the links are down below. But I'd love to know your thoughts on looking at a project like this, and does it truly open up the possibilities when you see it in this state? I'm Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.